A liquid divider is a device or system designed to separate liquid mixtures into their constituent components or to divide a single liquid flow into multiple flows, functioning based on principles like density difference, gravity, centrifugal force, or pressure differentials. These dividers can separate oil and water, solids from liquids, or gases from liquids. Applications include water treatment, food processing, oil and gas refining, and chemical manufacturing where precise separation or flow control is essential. In a fertilizer plant, in urea plant's carbon dioxide stripping process, a liquid divider ensures the uniform distribution of the urea like carbamate solution over the heat exchanger tubes in the high pressure stripper. By dividing the incoming liquid into three streams through holes in the divider, it creates a uniform falling liquid film that ensures efficient heat transfer and carbamate dissociation, which is crucial for the urea synthesis process. There are different functions of stripping process. The liquid divider is located at the top of the high pressure stripper, receiving the liquid urea or carbamate solution from the process. The liquid is then split into three equal streams via three holes in the divider, feeding into the ferrules on top of the heat exchanger tubes. This even distribution creates a uniform falling liquid film on the inside surface of the heat exchanger tubes. The falling film allows the carbamate solution to effectively contract the countercurrent flow of carbon dioxide gas, promoting the decomposition of unconverted carbamate into ammonia and carbon dioxide. The uniform film maximizes the contact area between the hot shell side fluid and the tube side liquid, facilitating efficient heat transfer for the dissociation reaction. By ensuring an even flow, the liquid divider prevents uneven loading of tubes, which could lead to poor performances and potential operational issues. In essence, the liquid divider is a critical component in the high pressure stripper that guarantees the proper formation of a falling film, thereby ensuring the efficiency and effectiveness of the carbamate stripping and urea synthesis process. All the liquid divider unit which was connected inside the stripper is dismantled, then it is cleaned by water, and then it is marked by connecting a seal tape. It is marked because after testing, by comparing its result, we can see that which one is good or not. To compare this, here is a connection with a rotameter and air supply. At first, the liquid divider unit is inserted to its base. After connecting this, here is used a Teflon seal to seal the leak. You see, this is connected from the lower side to upper side. Then by inserting the air pressure, we follow its flow. That means the flow reading from the rotameter unit. Then we record it by writing in a record register, and after that the fluid flow is standard or high or low. It is recorded. After taking all the readings, we can compare these readings of the liquid divider unit, and we followed that these units are okay. When the liquid divider inside hole is larger for erosion, then larger hole, the flow will increase and also the pressure may be decrease. And for this, at that time, the liquid divider unit needed to change by new one. So this reading is taken to test the liquid divider unit, and inside the liquid divider there is a Teflon seal. This is the stepper inside unit. The liquid divider unit is inserted by placing the seal. This is standard type seal, and you see inside the hole all the liquid divider is inserted. This is the Teflon seal at the mouth side of the divider unit. This is upper side, and this is seal. The seal is made by Teflon. If this seal is not okay, then the divider unit will not function properly, and when we apply or supply water, then this may leak. So here we used the proper Teflon, and here is 4 stage, and this is the inside unit. When all the liquid divider unit is connected, and after placing or supply water, we followed the unit is okay or not. We followed that some unit is not functioning properly. That means here is some likely black color and water is leaking. So after this, we opened some of this liquid divider unit, and then we replaced likely 200 Teflon seal of the leakage divider unit, and again we changing the liquid divider gasket and then inserted the liquid divider unit. Here we changed only the gasket, not liquid divider unit. So after changing the liquid divider gasket and again followed that, it is working properly, and a small leaking which is acceptable. In this way, the stepper unit, liquid divider unit is cleaned, and then it is again installed. Thanks all for watching this video.